Here I have ZTE Blade A7 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings. Next you have to enter security section, fingerprint manager. Then you have to select your backup lock screen method. It could be pattern, PIN, password. Let's select for example PIN. Then you have to select if you want to require PIN when you start your device. I guess no. Then you have to enter your PIN, confirm it. Then you have to select if you want to see notifications on a lock screen. You can see all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, and you can disable notifications. Then tap done. And what you have to do next is to find a fingerprint sensor, which is located here at the back of your device, and then tap it with your finger several times until it remembers your fingerprint. And now, for example, we can unlock our device with only just our fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.